scene. I'm just kidding. Keep playing. Hi. See it.
Okay.
Shh. I did not make a mess, okay? Hey. This is my scene. Your name is not Glamster, not. I'm the ultra rare one. Hey.
What?
Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey. Here.
She's so mad at me.
Ow.
Haha, you can't resist to the hot water.
Hey.
It's so funny. There's a mess everywhere now.
It's a winter hour.
Hey, don't copy me. No puede.
Hey. Ow.
Hey. Haha, you can't resist to the hot water like me. Hey.
What?
Bye.
Bye.
Ah.
Bye.
Hey, you. Hey. Hi. Mwah. Hey! Ah!
What's it really better?
How do you use this thing? Can you hear me? Hey! Ah! Can you hear me? Hello? How does this thing work? How does this work? You spilled all the water! You're in trouble, Kitty Pie.
Off.
Made a mess.
No, me. What me?
You made a mess?
Yeah.
Yes. Now you made a mess? You're in trouble. It's a big mess to clean up. Hey, it's not making the mess even worse. You LOL dolls are so in trouble. It was SB Cutie fault. It was her fault. I was using this thing right here, and then hey! Spike, stop it! And then stop! And then she spilled the water while I was trying to use it. Oh, there's water everywhere. It wasn't my fault. Oh, it's okay. SB Cutie, what do you have to say? Hey, SB Cutie, what do you have to say? Hey, what do you have to say? Say sorry. Hey, say sorry.
Sorry.
Oh, but you're gonna have to clean up the mess, okay?
Oh.
Hey, Spike, stop making a big mess. Stop it. See, I told you it wasn't my fault. I never said it was your fault. Okay. You just made a huge mess and you want more?
Yeah.
You're crazy.
No. I never
Anyways, go pick this up.
Aww.
Not you. SB Cutie does have to.
Daily shirt.
Hey, she left this.
Mommy shirt.
She left it here. it just looks like a little confusing. You like my bathing suit? It's super cute, huh? Top of my hair is super cute, huh? It's super better than the other girls, huh? You think so, huh? Hey! What are you doing? Like, come on, you can't say no to Fleckles. Mwah. Mwah. There's someone coming. Alright, clean up the mess, SB Cutie.
Yeah.
You are? Are you sure? Okay, continue playing. Oh, well, not playing. Continue picking up your mess, okay?
My charge is down.
Uh-oh, I forgot to turn it off. Okay. She actually remembered to turn it off. But I'm back. Hi. Maybe I should take some selfies. Yeah, I should take some selfies.
Over the beat.
Hey, this is my spot. Move.
Whoa.
Okay, I'm gonna take a picture. Hey. I'm gonna try to take a picture.
And
Mine.
my picture.
Hey guys, I'm back.
And the baby
I hope you like my selfies.
Baby butter. Oh no.
Hey, what's the camera doing? I thought I turned it off. SB Cutie, are you done? No. Okay, finish that up. Ma'am, shut up. Hey, where did you come from? Where'd you come from? You're supposed to be hidden from Cutie Pie. I'm gonna go take you. She forgot to turn it off again. Anyways, I should really be cleaning this up. But bye. What did she say again? Bye, my little pie.